In this video, you will learn how to take any word and turn it into your own song that you own in under 10 seconds. This is
Teacher Monkey AI.
Step 1. Type Suno.com. This is the program. It is called Suno. It takes words that you write here and turns them into AI songs that you own fully. Now, it just had a new model upgrade called V4. Now, the best way to test the V4 model, we will type some lyrics and then we will go around the world of different styles of music, and each time I will just simply translate the exact lyrics into that language. I am a monkey. Now, if you want the background people to sing back something, you put it in parentheses, these brackets, and say like, ooh, ooh. So the first thing we will start with is Chicago Blues. Okay, and now let's listen to the first song.
I said I am a monkey.
Woo! Okay, let's hear UK drill trap.
I am a monkey. Monkey. Oh, monkey.
Okay.
I said I'm a monkey.
Okay.
Yes, baby, I'm a monkey.
Woo! Hindi music. Take this, go to ChatGPT, turn this with Hindi word, put it right here. Okay, and here's what we got. Main Hoon Bandar Jungle Koraja Ban Karta Sapko Nachos.
मैं हूँ बंदर जुंगलों का राजा बन बन करता सबको नचाता दर दर करता खुद को छुपाता देखो जरा मैं हूँ कौन बन बादल सबसे अलग शान.
Chinese music.
看看吧，我是谁？蹦蹦跳跳最有味。哦哦，是的，宝贝，我就是蹦蹦猴王。
They're talking about monkeys for sure. Russian music. Okay, I'm a little bit scared. Let's do it in Italian.
Io sono il re della giungla e viva, salto qua e là.
Okay, now let's go to Africa. This is called Mbubu Zulu.
Ndiye Nkalango ndiye yanga ndikutamanganga onsema ndiyangana ndibisala koma ndikubwera nani ndindani mfumu ya Nkalango inde wa.
Okay, and now let's go to Brazil and we're gonna say Bossa Nova.
Sou monkey na calma da selva. Eu balanço, danço com a vida bela. Me escondo nas sombras, volto devagar.
Sou monkey na calma da selva. Eu balanço, danço com a vida.
Now let's do an Arabic version.
أنا القرد ملك الغابة أقفز وأرقص بخفة وسعادة أختبئ قليلا ثم أعود.
UK drill.
Yo, what up, fam? This London boys in the house, innit? Move out the way, fam. Alright.
Cool cut, man's monkey, don't do that. Swing trees, man moves fast. Move. Look, bruv, who's that? Monkey flex, man's too bad. Yeah, fam, I'm the monkey lad.
Oh shit. Okay, and now for some French chanson.
Je suis un monkey, roi de la forêt. Oh. Je danse, je saute, la vie m'appartient. Je me cache parfois, mais toujours je reste si bas.
Indie slow rock. It's clearly way better when it's Western genres. More detailed, advanced, creative. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was it. That was V4. I put a lot of credits, guys. Let me know in the comments below where you come from and what you think of the V4 model. This was Teacher Monkey. I will see you.